Hey guys, welcome back to Math from my desk. Today I will be graphing linear equations. So let's go ahead and start. So the equations that I will be graphing are in the form of y equals mx plus b over here. So in this form, where m is the slope, which is also written sometimes as the gradient, and b is the y-intercept. So where in the y point in which the line is going to intersect the graph, right? In which the line is going to intersect the y-axis. So m, the slope, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this is if you're given some points x1, y1, and x2, y2. So let's go ahead and start. So we have two equations. I will be graphing the left one here in purple and the right one in green. So let's go ahead and do that. So y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. So if we rewrite our standard form here, y equals mx plus b, it's not the standard form, but the form we'll be using. We can identify m as negative 2 and b also as negative 2 from the equation here, because m is going to be negative 2 here and b is that over there. So now we can start graphing. So first let's point the y-intercept. So that means that at the point y equals negative 2, the line will intersect the y-intercept. So right over there, the line will intersect the y-axis. And we have a slope of negative 2. So what the slope is rise over run. So this means that we're going to go negative 2 down, because down is negative, and we're going to go right 1. So that is what this slope over here means. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go down by 2 and we're going to go right by 1. And if we go the opposite way, we're going to go here left by 1 and up by 2. Left by 1, up by 2. Sorry there. Left by 1, up by 2. And like that we can graph our line. So let me just do it neater without those things. So we're gonna go like this, then like this, then like that, then like that. And we can now graph our line, which is gonna go something like that. So this is how I would draw the line. Now moving on to the second equation, we have y equals negative x minus 2. So let's rewrite our form of y equals mx plus b. Now let's identify m and let's identify b. M, well, we have a negative here. This negative x can be implied as negative 1x. So this means that our m is negative 1. And then our y-intercept is the same thing as before, is negative 2, as you can see over here. So this means that the graph is going to intersect the y-axis at y equals negative 2. So same thing as the purple line. But this time the slope, so the rise over run, is equal to negative 1 over 1. And what this means is we're going to go down by 1 because it's negative. If this was positive, we would go up, but this isn't the case. And we're going to go right by 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. So that is how we're going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and do just that. So if we go down 1, right 1, we're going to be here. Down 1, right 1, we're going to be here. Down 1, right 1, we're going to be here. And if we go the opposite way, we're going to go right 1, up 1. So right 1, up 1 over here. Right 1, up 1 over here. Again, again, and again. And this would be our green line. And that is all for this video.